Today, we're tackling a bit of a common frustration, a slow iPhone hotspot. Let's face it, nobody wants sluggish internet, especially when you're sharing it from your phone. But fear not, tech friends. There are some easy ways to boost that hotspot speed. First things first, let's get you on a strong signal. Just like a radio, your hotspot relies on a good cellular connection. Try moving to a spot with better reception. Think open areas, away from walls or buildings. Now, let's tweak some settings on your iPhone. Open Settings, then tap on Personal Hotspot. Here are some options to play with. Low power on low speed? Turn off low power mode. It might save battery, but it can also slow things down. Maximize compatibility is great for connecting older devices, but for the fastest speeds, you can try turning it off. Sometimes a simple restart can work wonders. Give your iPhone and the connected device a quick reboot. It can clear up any temporary glitches and get things running smoothly again. This might sound strange, but a bulky phone case can sometimes interfere with the signal. Try using your iPhone hotspot without the case and see if that makes a difference. Make sure your iPhone and the connected device are running the latest software updates. These often include performance improvements and bug fixes. By following these tips, you should be able to get your iPhone hotspot cruising at top speed. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tricks.